Hot chicks, dazzling cars, and impossible action sequences. This is all about Race 2. Abbas Mustan is all set with his next installment of Race series, Race 2, this Friday. Let's find out from public what they're expecting from Race 2.
Race 2, I would expect some more liveliness, whatever was there in Race 1. Same I expect from Race 2, and the songs are amazing. Lat Lag Gayi is my favorite, recent. So I'm looking forward to the movie.
I've seen the trailer of Race 2 and Deepika is like my favorite actress and I'm expecting a lot from her. And like her whole look and her like sex appeal in the movie is like really good. So yeah, I mean it even has Jacqueline Fernandez. So I think it's going to be a pretty good film.
Oh my god, I think it's going to be the best movie ever. Race 1 was like, what? And I was like, whoa.
Race 2, the promos look like it's going to be a thriller sort of a movie, so it looks all nice and happening and stuff like that. So looking forward to watching it.
Race 2, when it comes to Race 2, it's like something more. You're expecting something more in the cars and the dashing, and so something more, and excited to watch the movie.
I feel Race 2 should be much better than Race 1, and it has to have something much better and more exciting than Race.
I'm expecting a lot of thrills in the movie, suspenses. Any Abbas Mustan movie is a movie, where you have a lot of expectations. Jacqueline is in a great avatar. She resembles Angelina Jolie for some reason. And yeah, looking forward to it. She's the only one who can give competition to Priyanka Chopra right now.
As I saw Race 1, it was a really suspense movie, nice suspense. So I'm really looking forward to Race 2. It will be a nice suspense, I hope so. As compared to the first.
Race 2 is gonna be good. Like Race 1, like the first race was also nice, and Race 2's trailers I saw, they were like they were awesome. Now let's see, It's gonna release on 25th, so we'll be watching it.
This song Lat Lag Gayi, okay, it's like this awesome seducing song I have ever heard till now, and her dance is awesome. So I'm expecting a lot more than the previous Race 1. So I just hope it's going to be awesomer, and the story, I hope it's different than the previous movie.
Promos seem to be pretty good, and even the actress is good. Yeah, so I expect it to be better than the first one.
The promos are really good. Fan following will be good actually, and John entering in this movie will be a great scene. It will be great to watch.
I wouldn't know very much, but I guess it'll be filled with lots of stunts and entertaining car chases. Stuff like that, seeing as it's called Race.
I really like the first one, so I'm hoping the second one is similar to that and more of twists and more of like stunts and all. Plus the star cast is really hot.
There's no need of a sequel. I didn't personally like the first part. It was a bit boring. And the song, it's a hideous remake of the first one. My god, it's horrible. I can't even listen to it. Movie 1 was actually very interesting, so I guess they're making the part 2 to cater to a certain audience. Expecting a lot of style and fun and action. And Saif is looking quite nice.
Race 2, I expect to be better than Race 1. And we have John, so I'm expecting more of like... After John coming in the movie, I guess everyone had to rush to the gym, the star cast, because of the competition with John. So I'm expecting like people to grow with their physique and all. I'm not sure. I feel Race 1 would be better. I don't know, let's see. Let it release first. I want it to be better because I don't think that any good movies come in at least 2013, or maybe there are no good reviews. Maybe, let's see.
I love that song Beintaha. I guess it will be a good movie.
It's got like a lot of hot people in it. So I'd watch it. And the first movie was nice because the plot was good. And I just wish they'd replace Anil Kapoor because he's got a lot of hair.
Lot of thrill, sexier people, sexier destinations, and I think the first movie had like an amazing plot. So I think the expectations are like really high for what's going to happen in the second movie.
The Race 1 was, a lot of suspense. So I'm expecting a lot of suspense in this movie, and and John Abraham, right? So it's going to be fun.
I like Race 1, a lot of twists in the story and all. And yeah, I saw the poster of Race 2. I like Zor ka jhatka hai zoro se laga. Yeah, that's what I thought.
I think it will be a good film because like the first film when I saw it was like each minute passed and there was a new suspense opened. So it's like something that all of us are waiting to see now. And the songs is something that will be like a new Chikni Chameli for us maybe to dance on.
Chicks and cars, perfect combination. So I'm just hoping like it'll be real good. And what to say? checks mostly.
Maybe because of Deepika, I will watch the film.
Race 2, like looking at Race 1, it seems much more of fun and musty and a bit of more suspense and thrill.
Anil Kapoor's role is like very funny, and also we're expecting more fruits and a lot of laughter from him.
I like Saif Ali Khan, and I'm quite excited about the character of Deepika Padukone. She's looking fantabulous in the movie. I hope so. The promos are so nice. Let's see if the movie is also rocking. I'm expecting actually a better storyline from Race 1.
Songs are brilliant. The movie is going to be a disaster, just like the previous one. I'm not really fond of Race 1. And I don't think Race 2 is going to be that great a movie, but I love the song.
We definitely got the mixed reviews, but what do you think? Post in your comments on youtube.com/BollywoodNow and facebook.com/BollywoodNow videos. In Mumbai with cameraman Kamaldeep Singh, this is Rohit Bhatnagar for Bollywood Now.